In today's video, I'll be answering several questions about balance sheets. These questions are going to help you to understand more about balance sheets, the contents of balance sheets, and the importance of balance sheets. What is a balance sheet? Why is it called a balance sheet? So what is an asset? What is a liability? What is an equity? Why is balance sheets important? Hello, welcome back again to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. If we are meeting for the first time, my name is Victoria. And on this channel, I teach about accounting. I share my accounting knowledge. So do well to check out my other videos because I'm sure it's going to be of interest to you. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys about balance sheets. I'll be answering some balance sheet questions that will help you to understand more about balance sheet and how it is prepared. If this video interests you, keep watching and don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and share. Let's get right into today's video. What is a balance sheet? A balance sheet is a financial statement that shows a company's assets, liability, equity at a specific point in time. Why is it called a balance sheet? It is simply called a balance sheet because it follows an accounting equation: assets equals equity and liability. That is why it is called a balance sheet. Now we have understood what a balance sheet is and the components of balance sheet. We said that the components of balance sheet includes assets, equity, and liability, and it is an accounting equation. But what are those assets, equity, and liability? We're going to go ahead to define what asset is, what liability is, and what equity is. So what is an asset? An asset is an economic resource controlled by an entity that helps to generate future economic benefits. It includes cash, inventory, machines, and properties. What is a liability? A liability is simply an obligation to transfer economic resources to other businesses. It is simply the amount that a business owes to other businesses, and that includes loans and outstanding expenses. What is an equity? An equity represents the owner's interest in a business. It is the amount that the owners introduce into the business as an investment, plus profit earned minus any drawing and losses. Why is balance sheet important? Balance sheet is important because it helps you to understand the financial position of a company. It helps you to understand the business stability, the solvency, and the liquidity of the business. If you want to know if a company is a going concern, you have to look into the balance sheet of that company. Within the balance sheet, asset will always equal equity plus liability. Asset includes cash, inventory, building, properties. Liability is loans and expenses incurred. Equity, the capital invested into the business. Going further, assets can be classified as current assets and non-current assets. Current assets include cash and inventory, all those assets that can be turned into cash within 12 months period, including cash itself. Whilst non-current assets are those long-term fixed assets that cannot be easily converted into cash, and that includes lands, building, machineries, and furnitures. Liability can also be classified as current liability and non-current liability. Current liability are those liabilities that are payable within 12 months period, whilst non-current liabilities are those liabilities that are paid in a long time. For instance, loan from the bank that are payable within 12 months period will be classified as current liability, whilst liabilities that are paid within 5 years period will be classified as non-current liability. And finally, let's look into equity. Equity can be classified as a share capital and retained earning. A share capital can also be called ordinary shares. So these are the shares that the company issued to the public in order to raise finance for the business. So the investors invested into the business are called shareholders, and they are basically the owners of the business. And these shareholders are entitled to dividend. So every shareholders are always looking forward to receive a dividend. It is a way for them to collect the interest of their investment into that business. So what about retained earning? Retained earning, this is the amount that are undistributed. For instance, within the profit and loss statement, the net profit that are not distributed to the shareholders as dividend are carried into the equity section as a retained earning. All of these coming together are called equity. So the combination of retained earning and ordinary share or share capital is called equity. Let's go even deeper with equity and liability. Every business is out there to make profits. However, for you to be able to be in business, you need money to finance your business. Do you really know how organizations and companies finance their businesses? There are two main ways businesses can raise money to finance their business. It can either be through debt or through equity. So, for instance, if a business need money to fund their business, they can go to the bank and collect loan, and this is called debt financing. That means they are using debt to finance their businesses and it's called liability. Another way is through equity. They can choose to raise finance by issuing shares to the public. So the investors invest into their business and become a shareholder. And these people will be entitled to dividend. So you see the two main ways businesses raise finance, through debt and through equity. But the thing is that if a business raise finance through debt, that means their gearing level will have to go up. And if gearing level goes up, investors are less likely to invest into your business because they are not certain that you are able to pay back those amounts they are investing into your business. Most businesses tend to choose equity, issuing shares to the public. They tend to choose equity financing because it helps to increase the value of the business. So if you want to know the worth of a business, look into the equity section, the ordinary share. So when you buy a share within a company, you own a fraction of that company's worth, and this increases the value of the business. So the more share a company issue, the higher they are valued. In conclusion, the more liability, the more geared you are. The high equity, the less geared you are. Gearing measures how likely you are to fulfill all your obligation, how likely you are to pay your debts to your suppliers or to your creditors. So we have come to the end of today's video. If you like this kind of content or if you gained value from this content, do like, share and subscribe for more accounting tips. Now, I'm going to see you all on my next one. Take care and God bless. Bye.